My name is Jason Matthews with Royal LePage Performance. I'm really happy to be here today at one of our new listings. Very excited. It's a fantastic property, magnificent home on 21 acres. It's a stone home built 200 years ago with multiple outbuildings, fruit trees, paddocks for horses, 2 box stalls in the barn. You must see the interior and the grounds. Welcome to 136 Colonel Nicholson Lane. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for viewing 136 Colonel Nicholson Lane. If you have any questions, please contact us directly. And you must see the Gatineau Hills, which is our backdrop, as well as a beautiful Ottawa River in Woodlawn, Ontario. Have a nice day.